Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Now today I am super excited about what is in this box. We're a smoothie family. We drink smoothies every single day. We absolutely love them. And recently we got to try Blendtopia. Now this is smoothie packs that they ship to your house. They're so good. So I wanted to kind of share with you the Super Sampler Pack. Now this is the pack that we got. Really good. A variety of different smoothies. Now these smoothies are so good because they have frozen fruits, vegetables, and superfoods. Now normally we would go and we'd get our frozen fruit and we'd get protein powder and we'd get a whole bunch of things all together to make our smoothies. Or we could go to a smoothie place. But what's in those smoothies, right? You start adding too many things, Greek yogurt, frozen yogurt, peanut butter. All of a sudden you have a smoothie with a ton of sugar and a ton of calories, which is equal to like going and getting a hamburger somewhere. Not interested in that. So I love to know what is exactly in my smoothie so that it is healthy and good for weight loss. So the Blendtopia Super Sampler Pack. Now this comes with 12 different smoothie packs. Now these smoothie packs, it says it can be either 1 serving or 2 servings. It's only 140 to 150 for the entire pack of calories. So I think it's worth it to have a full pack. If you were to do 2 smoothies, they're pretty small smoothies, just so you know. So today I want to show you what is in here. So first of all, we have the energy one. Now what's great about Blendtopia, it's first of all tells you it's a superfood smoothie kit, and it talks about the superfood chips. Now the superfood chips, there's 1.5 ounces of superfood chips in each of these packets. And those are all the superfoods that make it super healthy. It can be anything from, this one has the chia seeds and the flax seeds and cacao and maca. This one has hemp seeds and wheatgrass. This other one has, let's see, there's wheatgrass, hemp seeds, flax seeds, goji berries, so many different superfoods. Like I said, 1.5 ounces of superfood chips in these frozen packs. Now, these are all frozen. They're gonna come to you in dry ice, and you're keep them in your freezer. Pop them out, super easy. Dump one of these packs into your blender. We love our Vitamix. It blends it up really easily. We add about 12 to 14 ounces of liquid. Now, they recommend things like almond milk, make it creamier, coconut milk, coconut water, depending on what kind of, extra calories you want in your smoothie. You could do water. Not gonna be as creamy though. So it's just kind of up to you. And each one I kind of like, if you go on their website, it'll tell you which one they recommend. And it actually tells you right on the back here too. So like this energy one, they said that they recommend plant-based milks such as almond milk or coconut milk are preferred. But you can use whatever you want. Okay, so let's show you what's in here. We have energy. So energy has pineapples, bananas, blueberries, coconuts, and cinnamon. Plus it has the superfoods of chia seeds, flax seeds, cacao, and maca. We got detox, which is more pineapples and celery. It also has hemp seeds, and it's more of a green. We have the immunity, which really good. Immunity is berries, pineapples, strawberries, bananas, blueberries, chia seeds, things like that. Keto green, another green one. We have strength. And then we also have, there is a glow. Keto berry. Keto berry is another one. And here is glow. Now, there's extra in here because some of this, it came with 2 packs of each, and we've eaten some of them. Comes with 2 packs of some of them. So I said 12 of those, plus it comes with a bonus. It has these Blendtopia Superfood Smoothie Pops. Now these are really fun. You keep them in your freezer. You need just a snack, something quick. It's, again, organic fruits and vegetables, probiotics, superfoods, dairy-free. Really great. This is vegan. I love that it tells you exactly what's in them too, right on the front. You don't even have to search for it. It reminds you that they're superfoods. I absolutely love them. They all taste so good. They're so convenient. They cost about, if you want to break it down to per smoothie or per pack is between $5 and $7, which is pretty much on target if you were to go get a smoothie. It would actually probably cost you more to go get a smoothie, or if you were at home and you were collecting all of the ingredients yourself and making your own smoothie, it would probably cost similar because, food at the grocery store is expensive these days. So this is a super sampler pack so that we could try all of them. They have other packs that you could do. You can make your own pack. Let's say you're just into the detox one. Their website gives you all kinds of really fun ideas of whether you're losing weight or you're detoxing or you need a lot of energy. So I love them. And oh, did I say that the pops come with 3 boxes in this one? So it has the Super Berry Smoothie Pops, the super mango, and the super green. So it came with 3 of these boxes, plus all of these smoothie kits. So, I love it. I want you to try it. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to try it. Like I said, I drink a smoothie every single day. My husband drinks a smoothie every single day. So these are super convenient for us. I love that it has the superfoods. I love that it's delicious. And there you go. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our link in the description below. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.